get back.
Hello, community. I have begun the process of creating my family's micro farm. As you can see in the video, when we first arrived on the property, there was an angry dog that came after us. We were out there looking for the stakes that the surveyor put out, and a dog came after us barking. So my son had to let him know who was in control. I'm very excited about this project. I did hire some people to come in and begin the process of clearing the land. And when I tell you, oh my goodness, there is just so much to do. We didn't even knock a dent in clearing this 2-acre homestead. But like the old saying says, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So I'm looking forward to getting this land cleared, getting it developed, so that we can, as a family, begin to develop our homestead. My vision is for the children to have a place to go, to be able to run and play, to have plenty of space just to be free. I plan to get a pond constructed on the property. I want to stock it with some fish, some ducks. We saw the most beautiful thing. We saw a deer run off the property. So, like I said, I'm looking forward to beginning this project and of creating my family's micro farm. And so we were out here probably about 8 hours. I contracted with the guys for 8 hours. We got a lot done. It's a 2-acre farm. It's severely overgrown. So there is just a whole lot to do. So y'all keep watching. And you let me know. Would you move from the city to move to the country to create a homestead for you and your family? I'm very excited about this project. And again, y'all be looking for me soon.